Hello friends, welcome to this cozy vlog in Switzerland. For today's vlog, we are going to have a great time as we walk through magical Christmas market of Montreux. Next, we will taste some amazing Christmas dishes. Back in the studio, I'm going to be painting Christmas ornaments inspired by the first snow in Switzerland this year. So, get a cup of coffee or tea, get cozy and relax. Turn on closed captions. With subtitles, I will be highlighting special things you don't want to miss. Hope you feel relaxed, inspired, and enjoy.
You won't ever find me at a club, 'cause if I ever tried to cut a rug, by the time the night is done, you will know that I'm a strange one. I don't ever know what to do, how to find a beat, how to groove, but I dream about finding you. You make me wanna sway, and you'd say, dance with me, 나랑 춤출래. I don't care about where or when, pick a song that never ends. Dance with me, 나랑 춤출래. Close your eyes, just move your body. If you only knew what it's like to feel like you have all eyes on every little move you make, you can't seem to find your way. Maybe all this time I've lied, maybe I just never tried. 'Cause boy, when I'm alone with you, you make me wanna sway, wanna move. Dance with me, 나랑 춤출래. I don't care about where or when, pick a song that never ends. Dance with me, 나랑 춤출래. Close your eyes, just move your body. Dance with me, 나랑 춤출래. I don't care about where or when, pick a song that never ends. Dance with me, 나랑 춤출래.